These are Zaid's new toys. What is that, Zaid? Yeah, we'll open later. The what is this? The bubble. Oh my god. Bubble fish lamp. The scooter. The sailboat. Your sippy cup. Your pants and shorts. And the city transport. Your puzzle. Bike. What else?
City.
Oh, yes. Too much. Did you say thank you to Baba? What you will say to Baba? What you will say to Baba? Baba is there. What you will say to Baba? Huh? You want to open the lamp?
Mom.
Huh? Oh, Mama will help you.
Fish bomb.
Yeah, yes, Mama will help you. Huh? Video? Oh, okay, video. Wait. You want to see what's inside? Oh my gosh. Open this one first. What's inside? The cord and the fish. Okay. Oh, it's here. This is the lamp. Yes, we'll put water first and then we'll put the fish. Okay, and we'll charge it. Okay. Where is it?
Fish.
Baba, it's your turn. What to do with this? Okay. Yeah.
Take the fish.
He has to repeat. Don't do it, Baba. Only Zaido will do it. Okay.
We need more fish.
And then, oh wow! Oh, remove your toys. It's not nice. Remove the other toys. Zaido will do it, Baba. Don't do it, Baba. Okay, sige, sige.
Put it, يلا.
It's dangerous. No, maybe you put it there and he's the one who will.
يلا زيد will put يلا. Put. يلا. شاطر برافو زيد.
Oh, remove the other toys. Happy? Happy? You have fish? No need to feed the fish. Look at him. He's curious. More? Huh?
Baby fish. Baby fish.
Baby fish? Small fish now? Oh, where are you there? Sit down. Sit down, down.
Daddy fish. Where are you? Hey. How do you?
You're singing? Oh, sit properly.
Where are you? Hey, I do it too. Beep.
What do you want to do?
Paper.
What to do with the sailboat?
Open.
Open, okay. Oh, sige. No, first.
Paper.
When you bath, you will play the sailboat, okay? It will float. You have to put this first. Where is it? Here.
Paper.
Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. I think it's like this. Oh, see? Sailboat.
Sailboat.
It will float in the water, yeah. No need battery, I think. No need battery. Finished? Where are you going? It will be like this one, Zaid.
fish يلا تعال. Where is your bathtub?
Huh?
See the boat?
It's like that. Yes, when you bath, you will play the boat, okay? The sailboat, okay?
هذا one is better. تعال.
What are you eating, Zaid? Huh? What are you eating? What are you eating? What are you eating?
Bread and tuna.
Baba bread and tuna. No, Baba and Zido bread.
Potato bread and potato tuna.
Yes, Mama no.
Mano.
Yeah, Mama.
No, it's
Champurrado.
Baba.
Where is the something?
I got some.
Why you are empty-handed? Where is the something? Go get it. Where?
Again.
I get.
Something. What did I say?
What? What is that? Huh? Food? Ah, food. Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Show it to Mama. Why are you here? You want to show it to Mama or not?
Yes.
Oh, go get it. Go get the plastic bag. Ay, Baba, he's not interested anymore. I will put them in the refrigerator, right?
No.
Oh, go get it.
Good. Get.
Huh?
It's too big.
It's too big. It's too big, Baba. So heavy. Oh, Mama will help you.
Rain.
What is that, Zaid?
Rain.
Get it from the other hole. There. What is that?
Rain.
What color is that?
Black.
Oh, how about the other one? The other grape. What color? The other grape. Where is it?
Chicken
A
liver.
chicken liver. Show me.
Brown.
Oh, brown color. No, I'm asking for the grapes. Oh, there. What is that?
Pumpkin.
Ah, pumpkin. Very good. He remembers. Oh, the other ones.
Iron.
Iron. Why you bought iron? You still have iron.
Bee.
Beans. Very good. Oh.
Beans.
Huh? What is that?
Beans.
Another beans? Why you bought 2 beans, Baba? No, the other one is not beans. Beans. Yes.
Carrot.
Yeah. Yes. It's too much. Oh, the beans too much. Oh my gosh. And then you paid it, right? Too much. I think from someone else.
Come on.
What is that? It is leaves. What leaves are these? Malunggay.
Bubble guy.
Oh, the others. Tell Mama the others. What is that?
Iron.
What iron? What is this?
Iron.
Iron karon. Leaves also. What kind of leaves is this? Are these?
Green.
No, this is kangkong.
Cocoa.
Yes. Next.
Iron.
His mouth always iron.
Iron.
What iron? All iron hapakot karon. Which one? What is that? Oh, what is this?
Iron.
No. Oak.
Aqua.
See, you know it. You just
Iron.
want to, you know.
Iron.
Oh, iron. Oh, enough na. Oh, sige, go play.
Yeah, there was a lady beside us.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
That's angry.
Yes, the dinosaur is angry.
Bubble.
Oh my gosh, the dinosaur is riding the ice cream truck. Oh my gosh.
That's so angry and I get this.
Oh, the dinosaur is angry. And
Ice cream truck. Ice cream truck.